In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom functions in FlutterFlow. To get started, open FlutterFlow and load the project where you want to add your custom function. This is the project where your logic will live, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before making changes. Once your project is open, go to the page selector. From there, click the plus icon. This is where you can create new items inside your project, and in this case, we'll use it to access the custom code options. Next, click on custom code and choose add function. This opens the custom function editor, which is where you'll define logic that FlutterFlow doesn't provide out of the box. Custom functions are especially useful when you need to transform data, calculate values, or handle reusable logic in a clean way. Now give your function a clear and descriptive name using camel case. That means the first word starts with a lowercase letter and each following word starts with a capital letter. A good function name should describe exactly what the function does, so it's easy to recognize later. In the panel on the right, set the return type to match the kind of data your function will produce. This is important because FlutterFlow needs to know whether your function returns text, a number, a Boolean, or another type. If the function will return multiple items instead of just one, turn on the eyes list option so FlutterFlow treats the output correctly. After that, click Add Parameter to define the data your function needs in order to work. Parameters are the inputs your function will process, so think carefully about what values need to be passed in. Once your setup is ready, write the Dart code for the function or use the generate option if that's available in your workflow. As you write the code, make sure the logic matches the function name, parameters, and return type you already configured. When you're done, click the save function icon in the top right corner to store your work. After saving, click the check code or compile button shown as a checkmark icon to make sure there are no syntax errors. This step helps catch mistakes early before you try using the function in your app. Then go to the test tab in the same panel, enter some dummy data into the argument fields, and click run. This lets you confirm that the function returns exactly the value you expect. Testing here can save a lot of time later, especially when debugging UI behavior. Finally, bind the function to your UI widgets. Once connected, your widget can use the custom logic you created, allowing your app to behave more dynamically and efficiently. That's how to create, test, and use custom functions in FlutterFlow.